Ever tried to send a photo or file through AirDrop, but can't find devices on AirDrop? Here are the quick fixes. Adjust AirDrop settings. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General. Here, tap on AirDrop. Select Everyone for 10 minutes. This temporarily allows all nearby Apple devices to see your iPhone. Now try sending the file. If that didn't solve it, here's the next fix. Restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Swipe down from the top right to open the control center. Here, toggle off the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and wait for 5 seconds and turn it on. Check screen time restrictions. Open the Settings app on your device. Then, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. At the bottom, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure it's turned on. Tap on Allowed Apps and Features. Find AirDrop. Make sure the toggle is turned on. Now test AirDrop again. If it's still not showing up, disable VPN. Open the Settings app on your device. Look for the VPN and turn the toggle off. Now test AirDrop again. Still not working. Force restart your iPhone. Press and quickly release volume up. Press and quickly release volume down. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears. Release when you see the logo. Wait for your iPhone to restart. After the restart, check the AirDrop again. If it's still not working, reset network settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll and look for the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on it. Tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode. Confirm your iPhone will restart. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and test AirDrop again. If it's still failing, update iOS. Open the Settings app on your device. Then scroll down and tap on General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Contact Apple Support. Open the Safari app on your device. Go to getsupport.apple.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Select your device. Choose AirDrop. Tap on Continue option. Apple Support will guide you through advanced diagnostics. And that's it. For more videos, subscribe.